Hi guys, I'm in the middle of a few projects. I'm planning the double flip top workbench. I'm organising the area here to accept that and to allow me the space to work on that. So everything's moving around, there's crap everywhere. But this just turned up, and this is something that's going to be on one of the flip top workbenches. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. I'll do a review later, but I thought I'd do an unboxing. So here we go. So it comes with a hand vise. It's pretty much laser. It's pretty much. It's not the start of the sort of lowest quality level they do. It's certainly not the highest, but for Schepach, it's okay, and it's drilling. Unlike the bandsaw, which I now believe is an important tool to get right. This is about drilling straight and making life easier. And power-wise, this is okay. So I can't remember comparing to others. 550 watt. Okay, so it looks like my next build is going to be a drill press. So, base plate. Chuck. Clearly I should not be putting this randomly in between a load of other mess, but there we go. Adapter plug. That's the knobs for lifting and descending the actual drill. There's the hand vise. There has to be 300 pages in there. I didn't throw it. This will be the actual cast iron foot, which feels quite heavy. It's a good start. Column, and that's the end of. There is going to be some putting together, isn't there? That's the end of layer one. For once, I am going to keep the polystyrene and the box, because if it's anything like the bandsaw, I'll be needing them. And then we just have the main motor and body here. And randomly, giving tons of confidence, that's on its own in the bottom. Looking good. So that's it for the unboxing. I think I just lost something else. That's it. Yep, there's a screw loose in there as well. Talking of screw loose. So that's it for the unboxing. That is the Scheppach DP16SL Sierra Lima. So that being said, I will be putting it together in another video, and then we'll give it a try together in a third video and a proper review. But that's what you get in the box. I'm going to put a link in the description. I can't quite remember where I got this from. It certainly wasn't Amazon or something like that. Anyway, enough babbling. I'll get this set up on video and make that the second video. As I say, third video will be the review. So we'll do it together. Cheers, guys.